this makeup look. This is like a classic red lip makeup look, and I thought it's perfect for Christmas. I just have some eyeliner going on, no eyeshadow, and yeah, just mascara, no falsies. And here's my Christmas tree, and I'm wearing red, as you can see. And also that I would like to apologize for one thing in this video, is that my lighting setup was not that great in this video. My face did appear slightly whitish and a bit cool toned, so you will think that the foundation looks a bit lighter and the red looks very bluish in undertone, you could say. But I really couldn't discard the clip because the look turned out to be really cute. So yeah, I am apologizing for that in advance, and without further ado, let's see how we got this look. Alright, so let's start by moisturizing our face, and I'm using the Sugar's Illuminating Moisturizer. And to prime, I'm using the Nykaa's Prep Me Up Face Primer. Now, these two are a wonderful combination and I have loved them throughout the year. Now, I want a very natural kind of finish, so that's why I'm using concealer before, and I'm using the legendary Elegant Pro Conceal in medium beige and applying it on the high points of my face. Next, I am taking a very small beauty blender and blending all of the concealer in place. Make sure not to drag it. Now, using the Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation in the shade 310, that is Sun Beige, I am dotting it all over my face, and then again, using a beauty blender, I will be blending everything in place. And also make sure that you don't forget your neck, because my neck is also exposed, so it's important that it looks of the even skin tone, right? And now taking the Sugar's blush stick in the shade Mauve Marble, that is 03, I am again using a beauty blender to blend it in place. I have tried to minimize the use of brushes, and now I'm just bronzing my face using the L'Oreal's Back to Bronze bronzer in the shade 02 Sun Kiss. And it's very important to have some warmth in your face, otherwise it just looks flat and that doesn't look good. Next, I am taking this strobe cream again by Sugar and applying it on the high points of my face. I'll be blending it with the beauty blender, and I love the natural glowy finish that it actually gives me. It is just so flattering and I actually love it, and this is my go-to trick for like a natural glow. And next, I'm using the Faces Magnetized Eyeliner, and here I've left each and every clip. I have not cut anything, neither have I fastened the clips, so you can see how slowly I do my eyeliner. Usually it's all fastened, so it's like a matter of seconds my eyeliner is done, but it's not so actually. You take a lot of time to do your eyeliner, so that's why here I've left each and every clip of me doing both of my eyeliners, so that you can see how much patience, concentration and time is required to do your eyeliner. I mean, you need to make small strokes so that you can correct it anywhere you go wrong, and so that your eyes look equal. So that is very important, and make sure there's no disturbance around you when you're doing your eyeliner, otherwise that may just go wrong, and it's really disappointing and heartbreaking if your eyeliner doesn't look equal. Okay, so my eyeliner is done mostly, as you can see, and that was a very slow and time-taking process, you guys. And now it's time for doing the eyebrows, and for that I'm using the Faces Canada eyebrow pencil, and this is a very dark brown shade. Now my eyebrows are actually black in color, they are not dark brown. And yeah, this pencil is also very creamy and pigmented, so be careful when you're using this pencil. And also that this is not the shade of my eyebrows, so I did spread the product, use the spoolie, but still it was not the shade of my eyebrows, so it kind of looked slightly odd. But then what I did was that I will go ahead and add some black eyeshadow on top of it to actually bring it close to the natural color of my eyebrows. You see that? Now I've just taken a black eyeshadow. Like, you can take any black eyeshadow you have. You don't need to take it from a palette or anything. I just took it, and then again I'm brushing the spoolie through my eyebrow so that it slightly comes close. And now I just did my red lips and I was back. The shade name will be listed in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, this was it for today's look, you guys. I mean, this was such a simple look, what to say, and this takes 10 minutes. 10 minutes is what you need, and I hope you liked it. So bye guys, and Merry Christmas.